Miss Jasmine. I have a fun cooking activity that I thought we should try. It's called grilled cheese roll-ups. All you need is some regular bread, slices of cheese, butter, a knife for your parent, a cutting board, and a plate. So first we'll start by washing our hands. So as you know, in my class, we always wash our hands before we begin cooking. We wash our hands for 20 seconds. After washing our hands, we grab a paper towel first. And we use our paper towel to cut off the faucet. The first thing we'll do is get about 5 or 6 slices of bread. So, after we get our bread out and tie the bag back, we sit the rest of the bread to the side. With your slices of bread, you will definitely need your parents' help. Your parents would need to cut off all of the edges of each slice of bread, like so. And you'll sit it to the side. And you do this with each slice of bread. Okay, now we've cut off all the edges of our bread. Now, with the bread we will now flatten all the pieces of bread as flat as you can get them. Okay. Once we have flattened them all, this is where your cheese comes in. You will open. I use regular American craft cheese, but you can use any cheese that you have on hand. And put each slice of cheese on top of the flattened slices of bread. Okay, our last one. So, now with each slice of bread and cheese, you will roll it up as tight as you can get it. And you'll press it down so that it will seal the ends of it. Now you have 6 roll-ups. Now this is where the butter comes in. you will cut your eye on. A little bit more than medium. Grab another knife. And you will get about a tablespoon of butter. And put it in your skillet. And now you will let your butter melt on your skillet. You're melting the butter so that the bread will not stick to the bottom of your pan. Now, as the butter melts, you'll get out a pair of tongs. Okay, now make sure all of your roll-ups ends are pressed down. Okay. Now, once your skillet is hot, you will take each roll-up and put it and lay it on the skillet. We'll do 3 at a time. Now, you put them in the skillet until you see the cheese melting. So you do maybe about 3 seconds or so on each side, and you continue to turn them so they do not burn. You will get another plate to sit each one on. So you get a little more butter for your next batch. And that is a quick way to make grilled cheese roll-ups.
Clear nature and give it more soil. So leave a like on this video.